Yeah. This is a terrible editor. He should have said "and action." Right. So all knocked off, drilled, and I'm going to put these dry rods in. So damp check rods, they come like that in these sealed packages in a box. I don't know how many you get in box like, but there's 12 rods in there. So we've got, what's that, like a couple of meters. So you want one of these, which is a corer. So into oil sideways. So it's like a half crescent thing. So into oil sideways, twist, half turn, and fetch it out, core in, and then and all you're doing is getting some crap out so you can put your dry rods in. So I'll just quickly do these. It doesn't take long, and these are a bit more. They needed a bit more on stone. If it's a rubble infill wall, you tend to get debris dropping down. But you can see how much is coming out like that. It can, because I've done a 12mm drill, and these are, I think they're about 12mm or whatever, or a bit smaller. But if debris is in, it can block it up. It don't really take that long to do. It's just these will go in anyway. Right, so here we go. So these rods, they're that long. So look at that. It's going to sit in here. And it's going to do a job. So that's going in here like this, and I can just shove it through.
Well done, that man. Her name is Kate Lowe. Julie Jones and I are celebrating our silver wedding.
I'm going to show you what you can do if they're not long enough. So you get a cutter with these. Cut these.
It's our silver wedding anniversary, and I know I
So this is how simple it is for DIY. If you wanted to do it yourself. They're a bit more expensive than if you were using cream, but you know that you're getting an exact amount in. If you're not comfortable with applicators, or if you haven't bought an applicator, hot creams.
You've done a good job on her. Well done.
That's gone in tight. That. Sort that out in a minute. I'll stick these in. That's what we're on about with debris dropping down. I think some stuff's dropped down there. Get that, eh? Just enough. 24. Right, so this is some blocking that there. Anyway, so what I was saying about these, what's that other thing that you sat on? Right, so if you want to put a bit more in when they've been cut, so save all your bits what you cut, and then these can just be shoved in to lengthen it, so you get them into it right. You get right amounting. So you'd measure it, and you can use all your bits up. Right, so that's how you put damp check rods in. It's simple, and if you use damp check rods with the express plastering system, which is the boards, salt neutralizer and acrylic stroke Instastick, you've got a quick system there that anybody can do. Only things that you probably won't be able to do as a do-it-yourself or be guaranteeing it. But you can do, by law, you can do your own guarantees anyway, but you just got to go back and sort it out if it goes damp in that 10 years, whatever you're going to guarantee, 10 or 20 years. So that's Damp Sam signing off, and I'll see you when I've put backing on.